from the truck. That's the security that patrols the outside perimeter of this correction facility. Let's see what he does. I got my sidearm on, and I got a camera. So I got a cannon and a weapon. Let's see what happens. I just heard him say there's a guy out here recording. There's another one right there. I guess they ain't seen my gun yet. They fixing to. I can hear him saying he's back that way. That's all right. There they are behind the fence. They can't do nothing about what I'm doing right now. They can just sit here and ponder and speculate. I suspect I'll get contact here shortly. Maybe, maybe not. Hope not, but maybe. He just said something over the loudspeaker. Don't know exactly what they said. Couldn't really hear him that well. A couple of inmates right there, it looks like. Now I got another truck coming around here. Yeah. See what he looks like. Oh, he's not gonna stop. Yeah. Just gotta get away from the fence. They definitely know I'm here. That's for sure. I still don't think they know I got a sight on. Uh-oh, code 3. They just announced code 3, whatever that is inside. I see them all going in, so I guess I messed up their well, they're not all going in. My bad. See if we can get a shot way down. Yeah, they're not approaching me, so that's a good thing. They still ain't no contact. About 20 minutes. No contact. So far, so good. Got these yahoos walking down the road. Like they're trying to do something. He's going to his ride. Security. I'm fixing to get bum rushed out here, it looks like.
Can I help you, sir?
Nope, didn't ask for no help.
You're on our property. You're trespassing.
No, sir.
This is our property, right?
No, sir.
It is. What's your name?
It don't matter what my name is.
I got Lillington PD on the way.
That's fine. I'll stay right here, cuz.
Okay. You'll find out that's our property.
I guarantee you. How much you a betting man? You a betting man? Are you a betting man? Huh? You're not a betting man? Are you? You a betting man? You just work here? So you don't know either, then, huh?
I'm just wondering what you're doing.
I got a camera, Bo. What's it look like I'm doing?
You mind telling us what you're doing?
I'm just photographing, dude. Enjoying this lovely day. It's a constitutionally protected activity I'm doing right now. Yeah, I mean, you can't do nothing about it. I guess this is the warden. What's his name? What's your name, sir? Is that the warden?
Well, the problem is that you're on state property.
No, I'm not. This is not state property, sir. And the PD will tell you that when we get out here. That's why I asked you if you was a betting man. Oh, they done got the shotgun out here on me. Oh my God. Just make sure you don't point that thing at me. We'll be all right.
They're not gonna point again.
That's good. I mean, I got mine, but I ain't pointing at nobody. It's legal for me to walk out here with a gun. Don't you notice the open carry state, right? Okay. I got a concealed carry too, but I like the open carry. I'm just letting you know. And he's fixing to find out too. Hey, did you say you was a betting man or not? Huh? Yeah, how much you want to bet they won't make me leave? I'll stand right here. You don't want to say nothing. Just exercising my rights to bear arms and to photograph. Do you hear that, sir? Exercising my rights, my First Amendment rights.
Nobody's questioning.
You know anybody? You don't know nothing about that, do you?
Nobody's questioning your rights, sir.
Well, evidently y'all are, because you're out here with a freaking shotgun and calling PD. So you're trying to infringe on my rights right now. That's what you're doing right now. You're infringing on my right.
No, sir.
Yes, y'all are. How ain't you?
Oh,
You tell me how ain't you?
we're trying to maintain security.
The security's over yonder, Bo. This right here, you don't secure this right here, cuz. The state secures this. The county. I'm not trying to do nothing.
I'm well aware of what you're trying to do.
What am I trying to do, sir? You enlighten me.
Maybe you're trying to solicit a reaction.
No, I'm not. I don't want a reaction. If y'all hadn't come out here, I'd have been walking down that way. I was fixing to go back. So you think I want a reaction? I don't want one. That's the whole purpose. Is to educate you guys about photography and open carry in North Carolina. But evidently y'all don't know nothing about the First Amendment, do you? Did you take an oath? Did you take an oath? You didn't take an oath?
We haven't addressed your open carry issue.
Well, because you know it's legal. I mean, that's the point, right?
That's your issue. That's not my issue.
No, I don't have an issue, Bo. How you figure I got an issue, Dortman? Huh? How you think I got an issue?
Sir, just wait.
Well, why do you think I got an issue though? Just because I got a gun and a camera? Is that right? Is that what you think? Me exercising my First Amendment rights is trying to get a reaction? Right? Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing. Yeah, guys, I got babysitters. I just asked him where PD was at. Dumbass! He just hid behind that bus. Freaking idiot. PD probably won't even walk out here. He's behind that damn building over there. There he is. Oh, he finally did show up. Hey, you gonna get an education now, dumbass. There's the dummy right there. Thinks I'm on state property. Whatever, dude. It's Mr. Johnson right there. That's Mr. Johnson. Yeah. There's Mr. Johnson getting an education today. Y'all see Mr. Johnson back there? The warden's getting an education right now, guys. He's still trying to say I'm on their property, but I ain't. Gotta have somewhere to walk. Officer Johnson. There's Officer Johnson's car. Yeah. Are you educating them? Officer Johnson, are they getting education? Yeah, they ain't smart. They think they can do something about me standing right here. They ain't smart. Dumbasses. Yeah. He's still trying to find some other way to hem me up, but it ain't happening today. He's trying to block my view. Look at them. They still trying, guys. They still trying to find something they can lock me up for. Well, they pulling out all the stops today. He is desperately trying. Here goes back up. Here comes back up. Yeah. There goes back up. He's still trying to hem me up. There's some license plate again. Wow. She's still over there with a shotgun, peeking around the corner. Wow. Ah, driving back and forth, that's an easy, cushy job today. He's still getting his free education. Right there. This shit's funny. He's gritting his teeth thinking, oh man, I wish I could hem him up on something. There they are. He's still back there, trying to find something to hem me up on. Been talking for about 20 minutes now. And look yonder, here comes a damn third. Here comes number 3. Wow. Look, there's number 3. Oh my goodness, look, here comes number 4. Wow. Look at that. Just for a man with a freaking camera and a open carry. Got 4 patrol cars. Actually 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 5. Son of a bitch. That's an expensive lesson. Warden's gonna have to pay the damn police for sending all these people out here for nothing. Look at them all huddled. They're all huddled down there. Just huddled, man. Wow. Look at that. Got 1, 2, 3. There's one behind that van. And one up there. Yeah. Shot over here is about to run into the damn patrol car. Guess one of them decided to leave. He said, I'm had enough of this crap. I got them all lined up. And there's one right there. Look at this, guys. 30 minutes later, they still huddled trying to figure out what they can get me with today. Still trying to figure out what they can hit me up on. They ain't got shit unless they make up a law. Yeah. You still fishing? You fishing, ain't you? Yeah, you are. Y'all fishing trying to get me on something. Keep fishing, alright? Yeah, yes, you do. Hang on, I can't hear you, man. Hang on. Well, yeah, I know I can. I mean, now you're probably going to try to get me for jaywalking, but there's no intersection within 100 feet. What?
This is the prison, man.
I know what it is, and I didn't come out here
Well,
to cause no harm.
Tell you something real quick. That's all.
For one, let me stop you there, dude. I'm not on your property. That pertains to your property, not this property.
We understand that. We understand that.
Evidently you don't, because look what you did. You don't understand it. That's the whole problem.
Only thing I got to say, sir, if you come on this property, you are not authorized to come on this property. All right? And you can be considered trespassing.
Dude,
all right?
Do I look that stupid? Evidently you think I'm a fucking retard. I mean, I've been here this whole time. I hadn't stepped on your property yet, and you're going to give me directions now? That's fucking dumb, man. I mean, come on, dude.
This information on that.
I know this information. I can read. Right. I mean, come on. He thinks I'm a fucking idiot. Now, you, sir, are the idiot. I told him. I said, you can call the police if you want to. They're not going to do nothing. They can't do nothing. I'm on public property. I'm on the right-of-way or easement. I mean, come on, dude. I can't walk in the stinking road all day. You know what I'm saying. What's your name, sir? Goodman. Mm-hmm. I think I seen you before.
You did. I was washing my hands at the police department.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. But like I said, dude, I'm not out here to cause no problems on that side of the fence. He don't have no business coming out here telling me what to do. That's messing with my constitutional rights. Yes.
He's not ordered you around. He told you.
No. Yes, he did. He told me to leave because I was on his property. This ain't his property.
No, that's not.
But on the other side of that light pole, even that ain't even really his property. That's a parking lot.
Well,
I know where the line's at.
supposedly you were past that sign.
No, sir. Oh, the hell no. No, see, that's bullshit. I got it all recorded right here, cuz.
Good. I didn't see it, so I'm not. That's what I'm saying.
See, that's what I'm saying. Lies, dude. That's exactly what my point is, Goodman. Is people like him lying? Just somebody. I mean, what if it was just a random person walking down the street that didn't know his rights? Yep. Y'all have him locked all the hell up, man, just because he's lying. You understand what I'm getting at? Well, that's why I do this right here, to teach thugs and tyrants like that. He can't control people outside of them gates right there. You understand what I'm saying?
He's just trying to protect everything.
But he was trying to assert his authority. Ain't worth fucking hill of beans right here where I'm at. Am I not right?
Nothing over there. Just be careful on the road, though.
Yes, sir. I'm not in the road, but I try to get up here at least. Yeah. So I'm not in the road, because I mean I gotta have somewhere to walk. I see your videos, man. I like that stuff. You seen them?
Yeah.
You subscribe?
Heck yeah.
No, you didn't. Don't lie.
Hey,
you probably the trolls that talk all that shit, ain't you?
I don't say one word.
No, I don't
say a word. My name's on it, right?
I don't know who that is though. Goodman. I mean, you know, you could be anybody on there. You know what I'm saying? Every day of the week, my brother. I'm telling you, I do not hate the police. Yeah. But when they act like he did this morning, and then Johnson, the way he was acting, and the warden, I don't even know his name. Don't care. The way he was acting, that's what I don't like. That's when I have a problem. Because they don't know, they don't have authority out here. They try to assert their authority in places they don't need to be asserted. You know what I mean?
I think he knows.
He knows now.
Yeah.
He got a lesson. I told him, I asked him if he was a betting man. He said, he walked on and then had these little dogs follow me the rest of the day.
Yeah. Well,
but see, I told him, I said, I bet you that they won't make me leave unless they do something unlawful. You understand what I'm saying?
I feel you, man.
I mean, I'm not out here to talk shit to you, Johnson, or none of one of y'all deputies or nothing, dude. I'm out here to educate people like him. And some officers don't know some of the laws. You know, I don't know them all. I'm not a lawyer.
We make sure all people know.
Good. I'm glad, because photography is not a crime.
No,
you know what I mean? Open carrying is not a crime.
That's right.
I hope you got an education today, sir. Free of charge.
Look, man, I'm going to go take my resources elsewhere.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hey, I hate you had to get bothered with all this, man, but he wanted to get butt hurt, so.
I'm sure it ain't the first time we'll be talking.
No, it sure ain't, because I'm everywhere now. Hey, Jeff is here, man.
Jeff is here.
I'm here to stay, buddy.